Hello, and welcome to Backyard Birds Weekly. Although today I am definitely not in my backyard. I am at Cane Creek Park. I don't know, I had some free time and I thought I'd pop in and see what I can see. Since I'm on the lake, all we really have here is a bunch of waterfowl. Let's zoom in on that. Out in the water, those are some American coots. Just looked that up. And that's a new bird for me. We've got some ducky geese that I don't know. There's some sort of domestic breed. And there's also some mallards out there. I will look up those domestic breeds when I get a chance. I might go somewhere else in the park to see if I can see some non-waterfowl birds, but if not, it's fine. It's been a pretty good week for birds in my backyard. The pine siskins are still here, and that's pretty cool. I've been seeing some nuthatches at the backyard feeders, which is new to me for them being back there. I haven't been able to get any pictures, but that's exciting. And I have a red-bellied woodpecker that seems to visit pretty regularly, but I have not gotten a picture of him yet either this week. I've kind of done an experiment. Yeah, these are the coots. I've done an experiment, and I've put some unsalted peanuts out in front of my security cameras in the backyard to see if I can tempt some of the larger birds like blue jays and woodpeckers to come get them. I have not had any trips on my security camera yet though, so I'm assuming it doesn't work yet. Trying to be a little bit more steady with the camera when I'm taking videos, because that last video was very disorientating and I apologize for that. But I'm probably going to cut it short here for a little bit because it is a very brisk 40 degrees here right now and I am not dressed preparedly for it, so I am quite cold. So yeah, like I said, I might go somewhere else and maybe I'll take a video there. If not. Yeah. If I do not take videos later, then what's coming up next is, well, let's take a look at those birds.
Blah, blah, blah.